This guide will walk you through the process of editing a backup schedule for Monday.com environment in FluentPro Backup. When the schedule is created for Monday.com, the selected boards will be backed up automatically. With time, you may need to add more boards to your Monday.com environment. If you didn't select to backup all data, you will need to include these boards in the backup. Or if you selected all boards, you may need to exclude the unnecessary ones. Also, you may want to change the backup frequency. For this, open the backup schedule page. To edit the backup frequency, select how often backups should start. First, for the modified entities, every 4, 8 or 12 hours. And then how often you need to include the unmodified items to the backup file. Next, update backup content. If you selected specific boards for backup, click on the number link under the selected option. Select the boards and add them for backup. If you selected all boards, you can exclude the ones you don't need to backup any longer. Click the Ignored option. Choose the boards you need to exclude from being backed up. In this case, all boards apart from the selected ones will be backed up. Workspaces for selected boards, all teams and users are also included in the backup by default. Make sure the notification email is accurate. You can change it or add more emails to the list. Save the changes. You can initiate an immediate backup run to save the newly selected items to the backup file.